Over the last sort of year, I could say in insurance, there's been a big shift to more action. We like to say in insurance that we do a lot, but it's hard making decisions. But we can see all those transformation programs, all those change programs are actually starting to come into play now. I'd like to say it's post-pandemic, but obviously we're not out of it yet. However, that impetus to actually get going, to realize that the new technology stack is going to be really important for insurance companies. So we're seeing companies going from very tactical automations to much more strategic and looking at customer journeys end to end. So right from the front door all the way back. And why wouldn't they look at automation like that, augmenting their people with technology? Insurance is realizing that this new technology stack is going to be really imperative for their transformation. With all the legacy systems trying to connect to so much internal and external information, you can't do it the old way. So I think there's a real need now, if you're going to say you're going to be a tech and data driven company, which most insurance companies do now, if you look at their strategies, then they are adopting it. They are realizing it's time for action. The one thing that is really good to do is to have a strategy and a vision. And it's quite easy for me to say that, but like, what would you like to achieve? Because if you start just dabbling with no real goal, and if you take the time to do that, and that could be, you know, I've been talking to customers over the last few weeks, and they've come out with pretty chunky, you know, aggressive automation targets. We want to automate 80% of our processes. We want to automate 75% of our processes. We weren't hearing that a few years ago. So can you link automation to your strategy with a very clear vision? Don't forget, this is a change program. The technology is there. The technology is proven. It's the change bit we all seem to stumble around. We have to bring people with us on this one. So hot topics at the moment, we're seeing a lot of activity around our discovery tools, around process mining, task mining. Second one probably is around AI and having that capability built into the platform. The last one I'll mention is digital assistants for insurance. We've been working across the whole spectrum of roles. Can we look at giving people digital assistants to help them with their productivity? Not just generic office worker process, but maybe key ones, key volume ones for an underwriter, a claims officer, whatever. And we're seeing a real surge in creating those digital assistants attached to most of the time future work skills. People are interested in this technology. They want to actually try it, use it, and let it help them have more balance in their life.